Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to get an input from the user. Okay, so first thing I'm just going to say int x, so it's an integer, and then see out a message to the user that we want him to enter an integer. So enter a value and end line. And then we use cin and watch this. The operator of cin is different than the operator of the cout, okay? And cin, x, and then a semicolon. If we try to run this program, so enter a value 3, and that's it. So now I took an integer from the user. It's one input, okay? So how to get two inputs, for example? Or let's say, yes, two inputs. For now, let's say we're going to have two inputs. So it's going to be int y and z, and then cout, enter two values, and then end line, and cin y and z. Okay, now we will enter two values, okay, 1 and 2, and then the program is done. So what if we want to have any kind of mathematical operation? So for example, I'm just going to I'm gonna use these three inputs that the user will give me, and I'm just going to have int sum, and I'm going to use this to calculate the sum of the three inputs of the user. So it's going to be sum equals to x plus y plus z. If you don't want to use the parentheses, it's okay. So x plus y plus z, and then I want this value to be displayed on the console screen. So the sum of the three inputs is sum. Okay, so the compiler is going to calculate the sum of these three inputs that the user is going to give us, and then this message is going to be displayed with the sum. Let's see. For example, enter a value is going to be 1, enter two values, 1 and 1. So the sum of the three inputs is 3. Let's change this of the three inputs is equal to 3 and end line. Let's try three different values. For example, 2 and then 1 and 1. So the sum of the three inputs is equals to 4, and that's correct. 2 plus 1 equals 4. So that's how we can create a program to get three values from the user and calculate the sum of them. There is another way we can use. We can say it's less than 5 lines. So if I set int x, y, and z, and then cout, enter three values, please, and then end line, and then cin x, y, and z. Sorry. And then we have here again the sum, and here we can say that the sum is equals to x plus y plus z. It's going to be the same. Look at this, it's less than, you can see that we wrote 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines exactly. Okay? So enter 3 values. So 1, 1, and 2. So the sum of the 3 inputs is equals to 4. Same as the previous program. Thank you so much for watching and keep tuned. Stay tuned.